Hello guys, today I'm reacting to the kind of things, like all of the Minecraft textures before and after all the Minecraft makeovers and the better ones, so let's go. Okay. Oh no, I don't know. Okay. Yeah, I hate like Vexes or something like. They mostly kill me, like, bro. Like I don't like them. I don't like Vexes. Mm, yeah, I hate those flying things. Sometimes I almost died from them. Yeah, guys. Yeah, true. I almost died from them. So yeah. Oh yeah, I got a beard.